Hey, it's Michelle Butt, and it's time for another Fun Fact Friday. So today I wanted to give you an answer to a question that I get all the time. So whenever I introduce myself and I tell people that I'm a facial intelligence expert, they're like, oh, I can't wait for you to read my facial expressions. And then I have to say, no, this isn't body language, it's facial intelligence. And it's a very different thing. And here's why. Facial intelligence does have a body language component, but not in the way that you might think. See, what we're reading when we're reading in facial intelligence is we're reading features, markings, wrinkles to look for patterns, to look for innate characteristics that help you understand how people will behave predictably so that then you can build a relationship and make connections based on who they show up to be all the time or the majority of the time. And when we talk about body language, we talk about how people are reacting in the moment. So you're reading them in the interaction each moment. And that is a very reactive read because you have to be able to catch the micro expressions or the arm crossing or whatever body language that you're looking for to get a read on how the person's feeling right then in reaction to the situation that's going on. Whereas in facial intelligence, it's a proactive read. You can look at a picture of someone and get an idea as to what their personality may be like, what they're currently struggling with, how they're going to make decisions if you're presenting them with some kind of question or product. And so that helps you to understand how to start an interaction so that you can predict some of the reactive behavior that's going to come because you have proactively understood their patterns of habits and behaviors. And so it's very different, and it is extremely beneficial in any connection and relationship circumstance, whether it's in a personal interaction, a dating interaction, or a business interaction, because you get to understand someone ahead of the game and not react to their reaction to you. So that is really the difference. And so I said that I would also tell you how you can use body language in the moment. So one way you can do that is when you see someone make expressions, if lines form in certain areas of the face, even if they're not permanent, where the lines are showing up will give you an idea as to what emotion is driving that reaction. Because if they continually, habitually make that face or that creates that line, eventually that line might become a wrinkle. And then the wrinkle will speak to a predictable habit and general sense of how they're thinking and feeling and reacting. And that's important body language, facial language, expression language in the moment to help you understand their habit and pattern of thought. So there you go. Clarification for you on a nice Friday morning. Hope you enjoyed that and you understand how valuable this work is and how different it is from anything else you may have been exposed to before. And I will continue to bring you these tips every Friday. So until next Friday, see you then. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.